dodged to the Hassayampa, and the Hassayampa was dry. Oh, no, it's not. It's running. We got the Hassayampa's upside down above ground. Looks like it came through here pretty good. It's mellowed out a little bit. But we got currents right here, and then there's another flow over further. And the cattle are coming down, wading across. Some of them. Yeah, I guess they're getting across okay. This whole area has been wiped out. It looks like they might have brought in some of these rocks to keep the road from getting washed out. I hear thunder. We're going to get some more. The skies are pretty dark over here. Say what? I thought you said something.
It says ominous.
Ominous.
That one cow that flew all the way out into the water. Or the water made.
So this is where we used to cross the Hassayampa a couple of years ago, when it got wiped out, during the monsoons. Now, back here behind the Durango is where we cross the Hassayampa. Not today, though. Yeah, I don't think I'd want to take the Jeep across there. Oh, a basketball. So I'd put a basketball out there. Well, that's what I was wondering, if it was running today, and it is.